Yeah, welcome back to my new video. And this is also going to be another exciting video on automation using n8n and n8n AI agent, right? And this will also feature our favorite LLM, that is Gemini, Google's Gemini Flash 2.5, right? So what is this about, right? In this use case, basically what I'm trying to accomplish is to programmatically or automate the translation of a particular email coming from particular ID, and not only just translating that unknown language to English, and also summarize the language, summarize the content, I should say rather, and send that back to some other ID using my Outlook application, right? So why am I using Power Automate to trigger my n8n workflow and Outlook? Because I could have used the Gmail trigger or even Outlook trigger node, and then Outlook tool or Gmail tool, whichever tool you want in n8n itself. But right, but that means I may have to generate API key, and that will means more API round trip, right? So I wanted to avoid those things, getting more API keys for Google's and Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. So I wanted to avoid, and the purpose of the whole use case is to give a demo how AI can be used to automate the translation of some foreign language into English, and not only translate, it also summarize the message, right? So in this demo, so I will be doing something like this. This is the email, right? It is as you can see, it is not English, and this has come from this particular ID, right? And the AI agent will work on, and it will respond back with this, right? It is saying that in the subject you can see AI generated, and it responded back to this ID, that is my ID, and it has given summary of it, right? So this is the summary of the content, right? So we could make it to even reply back to the original user, but that is not the thing that we are doing in this use case. But you get it, right? We can do that as well, right? So you might have got why I am using why I am using uh, Power Automate instead of the inbuilt mail triggers, right? So you might have got that idea. So this is what it is. So this is my Power Automate desktop workflow. So basically, I'm launching the Outlook instance, and I'm looking for. Once the Outlook instance up, I'm looking for the email that is coming from this ID, right? And then I'm picking the top, the first email ID, because it will be a list. So I'm just picking the first email ID, and then I'm making a post request because I'm using Webhook. So if you see my workflow, so this is the simple workflow. So I'm using Webhook, right? And I'm calling that Webhook, making post request, and in the body I'm just sending the content of the email received, the original content of the email received, and then this AI agent does the all the magic, right? So I am saying that infer the content, I am feeding the content, and the content will be received through Webhook. And if the content is not in English, detect the language and translate it to English first, then summarize the translated content as per the structure. So this is the structure I gave, so that I want HTML back. So content will be received by it, and the respond to Webhook node will send that back to my Power Automate, right? So my Power Automate will wait for the response. Once the response is received, it will again convert that to custom object, right? JSON string to custom object, and then it will send to my email, and with I will be changing the subject as AI generated. But you get the idea, right? You could put anything you want. Okay, let's see this in action. Okay, so this is the email. Where is that email? Okay, this is the email that is in my inbox right now, right? You can see this is the email in my inbox. So let me trigger the flow, and it will do its magic, right? So it will basically retrieve that email, and it will send that to our n8n webhook, and then our AI agent connected to webhook will parse that, will translate that to English, and summarize it and send it back to our Power Automate, and our Power Automate friend will be sending mail back to me in my Outlook for easier to read, and this will be in English. Okay, so our email will be coming in few. Yeah, it has come. Okay, you can see it has summarized as expected. We can see from who sent that message and what is the subject, when it was sent, and the summary of it, right? So I hope you might have found this useful, right? But if you can expand this to something even greater, automatically replying to the sender, right? In the original language, right? We directed the language. In this case, it was Arabic. We can ask AI to translate, summarize or translate back to the sender's language, so that we can have fully automated response back to user without having some translator in between the loop, right? Without having human in the loop. So this is just to get started. So I hope you would like my idea and how I use the different workflow automation tool to get this workflow going. Okay, all right. You might have, if you would have liked it, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And that's it for today. Thank you.